Hello children, good morning. Hope you are all doing good. Children, in today's class I will be teaching you English 2 lesson number 2. Okay, naming words. Okay, I will be teaching you the lesson naming words. So I want you all to be ready with your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. Take out Sparrow Sem 1 textbook and take out page number 54. Okay, take out page number 54. English 2, what is the name of the lesson? Naming words. Okay. Before starting the lesson, let me show you few things for you. Okay children? Yes? Okay. Children, what is this? What is this? Cup. What is this? Cup. What is this? This is matchbox. What is this? This is matchbox. What is this? This is scale. What is this? This is scale. What is this? This is color paper. What is this children? Color paper. Okay. What is this children? What is this? Sanitizer. What is this? Sanitizer. What is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. What is this children? This is duster. What is this? Duster. What is this? Frame. What is this? Photo frame. What is this children? Photo frame. What is this children? This is spoon. What is this? Spoon. What is this children? So, calendar. What is this? Calendar. Yes. I've shown you many things. So each thing has got a name. Yes, no? Yes, no children, have shown you ball, box, matchbox, scale, color paper, photo frame, scale, calendar. Each and everything has got a name in this word. What is this? This is book. What is this? This is board. Yes, no? Each and everything has got a name in this word. So without the names you won't be able to identify anything. Yes or no children? So name of a people, name of an animal, name of a things, name of a place. All this has a name. Yes or no? Without the name, will you be able to find out any things? No. So each and everything has got a name. Yes no? All these names what we call as naming words. If I say children take out your books, I say children take out your books. So I need to specify the book, which book. You will ask me a question, ma'am, which book I need to take? I tell you to take out the Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. If I specify the name of the textbook only, will you be able to take out the textbook? If I say children take out the books, which book? You will ask me the question, ma'am, which book I need to take? Even the name book also has got a name. Ma'am, Hindi ma'am will ask you to take out Hindi textbook. Ma'am is going to specify the name. Take out Hindi textbook children or take out Hindi classwork. So you know which is Hindi classwork, which is Hindi textbook, you know which is Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. If we specify only you will be able to understand and you will be able to take out the things. Yes or no? So each and everything has got a name in this word. Okay, let us learn about this lesson. Naming words. Okay. Words that tell us the names of persons, animals, places or things are called naming words. Okay, let me repeat children. Words. Okay, words that tell us the names of words. What that tell us? Names of persons, animals, places or things. Okay, what does the words say children? Words tell us about the names of persons, animals, things and place are called what, children? Are called naming words. Okay, names of the persons, animals, things, place are called naming words. Okay, let us see some example. Okay, name of a people. Okay, name of a people: boy, girl, doctor, queen, teacher. Okay, these all are the names of the people. Yes, no, children? So if you are a boy, boy. If you are a girl, girl. So doctor, queen, teacher. You know a boy also. Yes, you will be able to identify girl. You know doctor, queen, teacher. This all come under names of people. This all come under what, children? Names of people. You will be able to identify boy, girl, doctor, queen, teacher. Yes, no, you will be able to identify all these names of the people. So this all the groups of people. Okay. Next, places. So names of places: airport, school, park, hospital, bank. Okay, these all are names of the places. Okay, airport, school, park, hospital, bank. These all are the names of places. Name of places. Yes, you know airport. Yes. School, you know school. Park, yes. Hospital, yes. Bank. You will be able to identify where are these names of the places. So you know the place of airport, school, hospital, bank, park. This all comes under the names of places. You will be able to identify all this, no? Yes. All this has got a name. So this is a group of places. Okay, children? Next. Names of animals. Even animals have also got name. Lion, monkey, dog, fox, goat. Okay? Lion, monkey, dog, fox, goat. These are the names of the animals. So all these are the names of the animals. So even the animals also got names. Yes. Next, things. So things: book, car, apple, pencil, door. Okay, book, car, apple, pencil, door. This all are the names of the things. All this comes under the names of the things. Here, name of a people, places, animals and things are called what, children? Are called naming words. Okay, these are the names of the people. Like these are the groups of the people. Like example: boy, girl, doctor, queen, teacher. These are the names of the people. Next, names of the places: airport, school, park, hospital, bank. These are the names of the places. Animals: lion, monkey, dog, fox, goat. These are the names of the animals. Book, car, apple, pencil, door. These are the names of the things. So we have the names for each and everything. Yes, my children? So the words that tell us the names of the people, place, animal, things is called what, children? Is called naming word. As I told you, each and everything has got a name in this word. Yes, no, children? You can see in your textbook. So these are the names of people. So you can see girl, boy, doctor. Yes, these are the names of the people. Next, name these places. What are the places here? Hospital, school, zoo. These are the names of the places. Next, name these animals. So these are the names of the animals. Bear, horse, lion. Okay, these are the names of the animals. Next, names of the things. Book, apple, pencil. These are the names of the things. here. These are the names of the people, names of the places, names of animals, names of the things. All this has got a name. Yes or no, children? Yes. Children, even this can be written in the small letter also, like this: boy, girl, doctor, queen, teacher, airport, school, park, hospital, bank, lion, monkey, dog, fox, goat, book, car, apple, pencil, door. Even this also can be written in the small letter. Okay, now take on page number 57. Okay, now take on page number 57. You can see a girl and you can see a boy here. You can see in your book, children. Yes. Now take on page number 57. Hello, I am Simran. What is your name? So, hello, I am Simran. What is your name? My name is Rahul. So, hello. So, what she is saying? Hello, I am Simran. So, what is the name of this girl? Simran. What is your name? So, this girl is asking to this boy, what is your name? My name is Rahul. What he is answering? My name is Rahul. Okay. Simran is a special name of this girl. So, what is the name of this girl, children? Name of this girl is Simran. Okay. Simran is a special name. So, Simran is a special name of this girl and Rahul is the special name of this boy. So, what is the name of the boy? Rahul here. Simran and Rahul is a special name. Okay, even you have a name, no? Yes, no, children. So, all your names are special names. Okay. Simran is a special name of this girl. Even Rahul is the special name of this boy. All special names begin with a capital letter. So, all the special names begin with a capital letter. Your surname is also a special name and you will begin with a capital letter. Write your full name here. Okay. You can see here the blue line. You have to write your name here. Okay, children? Yes. Animals and places have special names. Examples: Chiru, Jammu, Chennai, Mysore. All these are special names. Even months of the year, days of the week and special days all have special names. The months of the year, days of the weeks and special days or also have special names. Example: January, February, Sunday, Monday, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. All these are special names. Okay, children? Yes. Names of festivals are also special names. Name of the festivals are also special names. All keep this in the mind, children. All the special names will be written in the capital letter. Okay. Examples: what are the names of the festival? Diwali, Pongal, Onam, Sankranti. These are the names of the festival and this also will be written in the capital letter. Okay, let us learn more about this by doing the textbook exercise part in the next class. I hope you all have understood what is naming word. Okay, words that tell us the name of the persons, animals, things, place are called naming words. Okay, children. In this, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. I want you to go through your textbook. Okay, there are more examples for naming words. You can go through this and you can go through page number 55 also, and you have many things in your textbook. So go through the textbook, read the lesson. Okay, in case if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Okay, children. Thank you.